How to turn on developer mode on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn on developer mode on iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To enable developer mode on iPhone, firstly, install your development build on your device before enabling the developer mode. When the build is created, follow the steps mentioned. Once the build is installed on your device, press the app icon. This will open an alert asking you to enable developer mode. Press OK and now go to Settings and navigate to Privacy and Security and further tap on the Developer Mode option. Now, enable the toggle button for Developer Mode. You will receive a prompt from iOS to restart your device. Press Restart. After the device restarts, unlock your device. A system alert should appear. Press Turn On and then when prompted, enter your device's passcode. Developer mode is now enabled. You can now interact with your internal distribution builds and local development builds. You can turn off developer mode at any time you want. However, you will need to repeat the same process to re-enable it again. So, this is how you can turn on developer mode on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.